Gas tank is fully involved. It is venting out the top where the gas cap is, so it's spraying out fumes and gasoline. So it's not going to blow up. It's venting. All right, so Zach Smith, here we go. Zach Smith got sun in the eyes. Okay, watch out for deer. In a wooded area, you gotta watch out for animals, especially out in the country. You gotta watch out for animals. Did a great job. Let's go back just a little bit. I think that deer got scared and fell down. So right here, sun in the eyes. But when I see this, I think of animals, because obviously the road is clear. We don't have roadway users. It doesn't look like there's any potholes. There's not very much that can get you. So this is where I can kind of feel good and I can relax. And this is where I would do like a moto vlog, or I would do some motorcycle training on Motorcycle Training Concepts, where I do the ride along with. This is kind of where I would do some of that stuff, the tips videos, because I'm not having to worry about other factors that can get me. I can focus on the content. But when we see this, the only thing I really worry about is animals. We see an animal right here, the deer, tripped on the paint. Paint is slippery. Deer only have the little feet, tripped on the paint. So this paint is actually very slippery. So this deer allowed us, and we could do an after action review with this, is that we need to watch out for the paint. All right. Let the deer have the mistake. We learn from the mistake. Okay. We're going to move on. Applied some progressive brake pressure. Look for the deer. Watch out for others. There you go. And we're going to slowly get back into it and get going. Now, there's the sign right there. It's got some sharp turns coming up, so be careful. All right, buddy.
Despite
Bond butt.
visibility, the driver probably failed to spot the biker driving.
Look at that.
Front
Look at those clouds.
Worst moment.
It's kind of like been Tucson lately. Side of the vehicle right there. Go ahead and swerve. Good job. Out of the way. Moved on. I like it. Here's the thing. We're going to talk about speed on this one. Get a good speed. Yep, good thumbs up. Good speed. I told you. Good speed. Here we go. So we're going through here. We're riding around. And look at the speed. He's only going faster than the flow of traffic because these two vehicles were slowing down because of that one vehicle making a right-handed turn. So this vehicle right here making a right-handed turn had to slow down. This vehicle had to slow down because of that vehicle. Now, I'd be concerned if this vehicle came out and did that, but it looks like we were fine. But that's why. But we're not hauling ass. And that's what I want to talk about is speed. We're not hauling ass. We're not going 80-something miles per hour. We see the side of the vehicle ahead of time. And you can actually see his decision-making in his movements. And that right there, going that speed, allowing yourself to not go crazy and have that space cushion, that buys you time, and time buys you options. I took that from ASP. Anybody who know who ASP, that channel is? Active Self-Protection. Anyways. Time buys you options. All right? All right? Speed. Come on. Here we go. Moving on.
Visibility, the driver probably failed to spot the biker.
So side of the vehicle, you're going to see his movement with his arms. So do I brake? Do I swerve? Do I brake? Do I swerve? Do I brake? Do I swerve? Okay, I'm going to swerve. If he was hauling ass, you would have had to pick one or the other instantly. And if you made the wrong choice, you're kind of screwed. You're kind of screwed. So this one, you're able to make the choice and actually think about it a little bit and then swerve. But if you're hauling ass, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Here we go. We're going to be riding, and there's the side of a pedestrian and an air horn. We got a nice air horn. Now, we have a line of sight problem with this. Can't see because of the car. She can't see us because of the car. There's plenty of pedestrians on the road. People like to cross traffic. There's the first one right there. Now, we see somebody in the road, even though this is filmed with a potato, we're able to see it still. So it means our vision as the motorcycle rider there could have seen it ahead of time. So we should be paying attention and starting to do our progressive braking. All we have to do is slow down enough. Oh, look, that person's already gone. We don't have to stop. We just have to slow down. So just slow down a little bit. It's a non-issue. Here we go. The zoo. One second. Will lane splitting. I forgot to pull in my mirror till the last second and end up bumping mirrors with the car. Oh, just touching tips. That's fine. Why are you punching mirrors, dude? Why you punching mirrors, dude? And you stalled, dude.
You okay? Sorry.
Touching tips. Moving on. Phone fell off and ran out. Expose Moto. Lots of extras on his bike. Looking cool. Sides of the vehicle is up ahead, so it's an intersection. Be prepped and ready for any dum-dums. We're gonna have to slow down anyways. Good. Just like normal traffic. If you were driving a car, you'd have to slow down. Not a big deal. All right, we're gonna pass the vehicle in an area that is legal to do so. Gave a wave and a thumbs up to say it's okay. Well, I don't think that driver even knew that it was a problem in the first place. This driver did what any other driver would have done. It's an open road in front of them. They looked right, they looked left, make an opportunity. Let's go ahead and get going, okay? We're getting to here, and there's that side of the vehicle. So when we are riding, prep ourselves for possible path of travel violations. Be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Getting up to here, we're going to go ahead and do some progressive brake pressure. You look on the far right. There's the squeeze. We perceived, reacted, squeeze. Not slam. You see how we're just slowing down gradually? And we're going to move on with our day. He handled this perfectly. This was a non-issue. I like that he treated it as a non-issue, and we moved on. There was no craziness. Love it. Here we go, riding around, passing vehicles. Okay, it's along a sharp turn. It says slow down. We got an idiot driver in the middle of the lanes. Perfectly fine. They're going to probably switch to that far right. Nope, there it is. Sometimes they're just bad drivers. And it's good. It's good to keep them in front of you. Now, see how we're right behind this person? They can just back up and hit us. Keep the bad drivers in front of you. That way you can observe what they're doing, and you can also then be in control of the space cushion. Typically what we see with like road rage and stuff, the motorcycle rider likes to get up in front and like, haha, you know, F you, F you. The problem is you're not in control of that space cushion behind you now. And you got somebody you're pissing off behind you. So they're going to ride up on your ass, and everyone's like, well, why they keep riding up on my butt? It's because you got in front. So what you can do is somebody's being dumb and like they're behind you, then they get in front of you. Let them stay in front of you. You're now in control of that space cushion between you and the person in front of you. You can slow down. You can stop. You can completely stop, and they'll keep going. Your space cushion keeps getting bigger. So let them be in front of you. Let them be in front of you. Don't do this. Don't get right behind them either. It's not smart. All right, intersection, orange stage, and we're back in the yellow stage. We got a Doggo in orange stage. Good job. He lost his ball. I don't think he meant to do that. Just say hi to him.
No worries.
There you go.
Good job, I got good brakes.
That was good. That was good. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from REVZILLA using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets REVZILLA know that the DDiffin crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. Moving on with Moto. That person was way out there. You could have slowed down and stopped, or at least moved over. You could have let that person merge. I hate when people are like, I'm going 55, and if anybody gets in front of me, it makes me go 54, I'm going to flip them off. Everybody needs to be out of my way so I can maintain my freaking speed. No, just you have to modulate your speed. Look how far away. It's the GoPro. No, it's not. It's not the GoPro. This is extremely far away. Like, it's the GoPro still. No, stop telling me that. Here's the thing. Look how far we are. How many? We can count houses in between us and the intersection. We got like 3 houses. We got how many car lengths? 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. About 3,000 car lengths in between us and the intersection. Told you I can't count. We can avoid this. Are you kidding me? But here's the thing. It makes an amazing thumbnail. I'm going to get use out of it. Here we go. Josh Bernstein. Hey, that looks like a fully involved motorcycle. PW can. Yeah, PW can's not going to help. It's not going to put it out, buddy. That might be a Class B extinguisher, so trying to stop any spread of the fluids. So what's happening right now is there's plenty of flame. The gas tank is now fully involved. Looks like a group of those riders. Gas tank is fully involved. It is venting out the top where the gas cap is, so it's spraying out fumes and gasoline. So it's not going to blow up. It's venting. Blowing up something is like a BLEVE. I forgot exactly what. Somebody write in the comments what BLEVE stands for again. It's been a while. Basically, the only way that it'll blow up is if it's under pressure. You might get like a nice flash. Okay, 3 inch and a 3/4 right there. Hey, where's your mask? Where's your PPE? You can still breathe that in. Come on, engineer. What are we doing wearing shorts on an accident scene? Come on, you know better. You know better. So what's happening is just the the lower flammable limit of gasoline. It caught fire, went over a flash point. Now it's just burning the fumes coming out. That's all it is. That's all it's doing. I bet you inside the gasoline, it's kind of cold. It's just the fumes that are off-gassing and getting burnt right now. So you need to have it compressed for it to blow up. It's not compressed. It's venting already, so it's not going to blow up. So having a good time, riding around. That's probably his bike. Everyone likes to be a looky-loo. Everyone likes to look and see what's happening. So my biggest concern on scenes like this are people like this driving. So this person right here is staring at this motorcycle, not looking for anybody on the road. So that hose almost got hit. Yeah, get that hose out of there. So right now we just extinguished the flame. So what happens there is that we removed one of the components of the fire tetrahedron, which is going to be the flame or heat source. Therefore, the fire goes out. And smothering it, so oxygen too. Just water. Water is a great reducer of heat. Probably the best one. Here we go. Moving on with this. Young taco shell. Here we go. What? Here we go. Moving through here. It's a green light. Okay. We already see traffic is moving. You already see the person going. You're just gonna have to wait. Law of gross tonnage. That's why we didn't fight that. All right, moving on. So we're riding around having a good old time with our buddies. These guys are not on the Discord in the Stunting Safely thread that we have. We have a completely different room than what these people are in. We have a room for those that want to stunt, but stunt safely on the Discord. So join the Discord, have a good time, learn how to stunt safely from our community. Maybe don't join these big mob rides, okay? So let's go back just a little bit. We're not going to speak about, what went wrong. We can talk about real quick injuries. So obviously everybody's doing this thing, and we're going to fall down right there. So we're going to have massive legs, massive arms, massive right shoulder impacts, and then we're going to have abrasions across our hands, across our knees. You can kind of see a little bit of red already. So yeah, he crashed the Grom. But join the Discord. Discord's free. We have a Stunting Safely area. But yeah, massive road rash, massive damage to the body. It's not good. It's not good. For what? For wheelies? Not worth it. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.